Hello friends, so today I'm going to review this headset which is from Mpow, and it's a very powerful headset. Comes with external mic. I had some other headphones, but there we don't have external mic, so when you talk to the other person on phone, then there are a lot of environmental noise. The clarity of voice does not go properly at the other end. Before unboxing, let's talk about a few specifications. So this headset comes with the latest technology, which is Bluetooth 5.0, which is which has very extra range, and you can pair multiple device. So this is the latest technology, Bluetooth technology in the market. This headphone has, and another is it is like a headset which is very comfortable. Comes with leather coating, and this has call clarity option. Another is wireless wired option. So if you are running out of battery, then you can use aux cable, and then there is no battery required. You can have unlimited talk time. It will not use your headset battery. And we have around 22-hour backup once it is fully charged. Let's unbox this headset. Okay, so here we go. Wow, I see a lot of papers here. Okay, and nice packing. Okay, so what we have here. Okay, I got one gift card from Amazon. So this headset I ordered in UK, so it's giving me one gift card. Maybe you can also get one if you buy from UK. And other than this, what we have, this is one card, like important reminder. Headset can only be charged 5-volt adapter, so you have to use 5-volt adapter to charge this headset. And for any complaint, there is a complaint ID. It's a complaint contact. And what else we have here? Okay, this is 24-month after sale service guarantee, and this is quick manual. So other than this, we have one charging cable. Okay, so this is again, you can see it's like type B type charging cable. Okay, so you can connect with any adapter and charge it. Okay, so let's have a view on this device itself. Okay, so this has I can rotate this speaker 90 degree. So if you want to keep like this, you can keep it, and if you want to connect it, then you can rotate it. And you have the extension option also. So as per your head size, you can extend it. And this leather quality is looking very nice. It's shining. It's very comfortable. It's not too thick, so even you can bend it also. That's nice. Okay, and the cushion, if you see in this headset, is very soft, so it is going to give a very good comfort to your ear. So you can see here, and if we see button here, and this is the mic which we can rotate, and if you are wearing on the left side or right side, you can move it in any direction. It will work properly. Okay, and in this other side, what we have is like we have this power on function, and the same button is used to pick the call and drop the call. And we have button for increasing volume and changing the song track here. So you can click on next here. Okay, and here we see the charging port, and there is a 3.5 audio jack here. So if you are running out of battery, if you want to connect wire, then you can connect your aux cable here. So that's all in the device. Okay, the quality is looking good. As you can see, there's a nice yes, quality is looking good, premium. It's not like a cheap one. Let's pair the device and see. So I'll just turn on the device, I'm pressing it. Okay, so it's blinking as a blue color, so it's powered on now. And if it is showing multiple color, which means it's ready to pair, so I'm going to use my phone. So in mobile Bluetooth setting, you can pair the device, and with any laptop also you can pair, so where you have Bluetooth, so it will start working. So I have paired the device, it is connected, showing connected here. Let me play one song here. I'm just playing some random song from some application. So let's play this song. It's one of the Hindi song. It's playing. Let me increase the volume. So you can hear the sound is very good and the beats are very good. Let me. It's very loud, guys. It's very loud. It's really nice. It's too loud, guys. Okay, so you can use it for music, and let me test the button. So if I click this button, yes, it's getting pause, and if I click again, it's getting resume. And we can change here. Yes, it's changing here. Beats are very good, music is very good in this. I like this headphone, and I'm sure the call clarity will be very good. So I'll take some call through this headset. I'll connect with my phone and laptop and take some call and give you the feedback. If you have any doubt, any question regarding these headphones, please comment in the comment section. And if you like this video, guys, just click on like button and subscribe our channel. Thanks for your time, guys. Have a nice time. Thank you.